In a sorry state of affairs, Public Health Engineering Department Sumbal is supplying dirty, unhygienic water in Sonawari villages of Nahidikah, Pushwari, Gunjageer and other areas which has outbreak diseases. Diseases like diarrhea and gastroentitis have been reported from the villages. Locals allege that despite the issue have been brought into their notes, the department has continued to remain in deep slumber. They said that insects, worms, larvae were found in the tap water, adding that the filtration plant is defunct since last 3 years. Locals blame PHE department for the outbreak of disease.
बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम 2014 पे गए कहाँ सफाई कहाँ न फिल्ट्रेशन न कह चीज बिल्कुल कहें केम कोतर गगर मज यो आब खेवान कहाँ योर